Hello friend, my name is Bob. A few weeks ago, this was my channel. Completely flat. Honestly, I was ready to quit. But then I made one change that led to this spike. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did.
Have you ever stared at your analytics, wondering if anyone even cares? You spend hours crafting videos, rewriting scripts, tweaking thumbnails, and still, the numbers barely move. It feels like shouting into a canyon that only echoes back your own voice. Every creator knows that sound. It's the sound of effort meeting silence. And somewhere in that silence, the doubt creeps in. Maybe this isn't working. Maybe the algorithm's against me. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But here's the truth most creators never hear. You are not failing. You are forming. Because right now, while your graph looks flat, while your audience feels invisible, something powerful is happening behind the scenes. The algorithm is learning you. It's memorizing your tone, your rhythm, your subject matter. It's quietly figuring out who to show you to. Every post, every short, every upload feeds it new data. Most creators quit before the system finishes learning them. They stop right before the curve bends upward, the moment we call the takeoff point. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. That's where the thumbnail's red arrow points, that quiet, unremarkable line before the sudden climb. See, growth doesn't explode out of nowhere. It's built on repetition, on trust, on consistency. The early stage, the one you think is failure, is actually a training ground. It's where your storytelling sharpens, your voice becomes distinct, and your audience slowly, silently gathers. And then one day, you'll post a video that feels no different from the rest, yet somehow, it catches. The watch time climbs. Comments start appearing. Your subscriber graph, once stubbornly flat, suddenly spikes upward. You refresh your analytics again and again, half convinced it's a glitch. But it's not. You've hit your takeoff point. That's when people start calling you lucky. But you'll know the truth. Luck didn't do this, endurance did. Because the algorithm rewards the one thing most people underestimate: consistency. Every video you thought went unnoticed was actually compounding, stacking invisible momentum until it finally became visible. So if you're in the flat line right now, don't quit. Don't surrender your future to temporary silence. Remember, every successful creator you admire once stared at a graph just like yours. They felt the same discouragement, the same exhaustion, the same creeping doubt. But they stayed. They uploaded again. They adjusted, improved, persisted. And that persistence turned data into destiny. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. The creator who wins isn't the one with talent, luck, or perfect timing. It's the one who simply refuses to stop. So don't quit now. You're not behind, you're building pressure. You're not ignored, you're incubating visibility. The climb is coming. Your breakout moment is already written in your effort. Keep creating. Keep learning. Keep uploading. Because one day soon, your graph will rise, and when it does, you'll realize that the hardest part wasn't the work, it was believing when there was no proof yet. There's a point in every journey when you start to wonder if all your effort is worth it. When you've been doing everything right, showing up, working hard, staying consistent, yet the world stays silent. No applause. No validation. Just that flat line on your graph, mocking your momentum. It's the phase no one warns you about, the quiet middle, the invisible growth curve. And if you're in it right now, you probably think you're failing. But you're not. You're in the part of the story where most people quit right before the plot twist that changes everything. Because here's the truth. Growth doesn't look like growth while it's happening. It hides behind effort. It disguises itself as stagnation. It tests your faith before it reveals your progress. What you can't see is that your work is compounding. Every day you show up adds invisible weight to your future results. Every time you refuse to quit, you stack another brick in the foundation that will one day hold your success. It's easy to celebrate when things are moving fast. But real champions are made in the stillness, the months, sometimes years, when it feels like you're going nowhere. Because that's where character is built. That's where belief is forged. Think about it. Every successful person you admire has lived through the plateau. The artist who kept painting when no one bought their work. The creator who uploaded video after video before one finally took off. The entrepreneur who pitched 100 times before hearing their first yes. They all had their takeoff point, that moment where the graph finally curves upward, but before that came a long, flat line filled with doubt, fear, and frustration. And yet, they kept going. They didn't quit in the silence, because they understood what most people never learn. Success is not a single moment. It's a curve. It starts slow, painfully slow, then, almost without warning, it bends upward, and everything changes. You see, most people quit right before that bend. They walk away when the graph still looks flat, unaware that the system is still learning them, the universe is still aligning, and their results are still loading. But the ones who hold on, they discover something extraordinary. They realize that the plateau isn't punishment, it's preparation. It's the space where you're being refined, shaped, and strengthened. Because the truth is, the person you need to be to handle your breakthrough is not the same person who started the journey. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you, and smash that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. The delay is not denial. It's development. When you feel like nothing's working, that's when the real work is happening. You're learning resilience. You're mastering patience. You're proving to yourself that you can keep moving even when there's no applause. That's the test. That's the price of every breakthrough. Success is built on invisible effort. It's the 1,000 unseen steps that prepare you for the one that everyone notices. It's the silent hours, the unnoticed posts, the invisible grind that no one claps for until suddenly they do. And when it happens, it doesn't happen slowly. It happens all at once. One day, your flat line spikes. Your numbers climb. The calls come in. The recognition appears. And people say, "You're so lucky," but you'll know better. You'll know that luck had nothing to do with it, endurance did. The question is, can you stay long enough to see it? Because right now, your curve might look flat. But it's not flat. It's forming pressure. Every day you stay the course, you add to that invisible pressure. And when it finally breaks, it breaks big. That's how momentum works. It's not a constant rise. It's a series of plateaus and surges. And if you walk away during the plateau, you'll never feel the surge that was already on its way. Think about the rocket before launch. It burns most of its fuel just to break through gravity before it even moves an inch. Then suddenly, it shoots upward with unstoppable force. That's you. Right now, you're burning the fuel that will take you into your next level. It's heavy. It's hard. It's exhausting. But it's necessary. And once you break through that invisible resistance, you'll rise faster than you can imagine. So, don't quit now. Don't trade what you want most for temporary relief. Don't let frustration talk you out of your future. The graph always rises, but only for those who stay through the flat line. This moment, this difficult, quiet, unseen moment, it's not the end of your story. It's the turning point. Because when the results finally come, you'll realize something powerful. The growth you were chasing wasn't just external. It was internal. You weren't just building a business, a brand, or a following, you were building you. And that version of you? The one who didn't give up, the one who kept believing when no one believed back, that's the person success has been waiting for. So, when the silence gets loud, when the flat line feels endless, when your heart whispers, maybe this isn't working, remember this: the curve always rises. The graph always turns. The story always rewards the one who stays. Keep going. Keep creating. Keep showing up. Because you are not failing, you are forming. You are not behind, you are building. And one day soon, that red arrow on the graph, the one that points right before the takeoff, will mark this exact moment in your life. Remember when we said at the beginning, have you ever stared at your analytics, wondering if anyone even cares? If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. You pour your time, your hope, your energy into your content, yet the numbers mock your effort. The moment you almost gave up, and didn't. The moment you held the line, and watched it rise. That's why you can't quit now. You're not stuck, you're loading. Every video, every late night, every moment of doubt is the algorithm preparing your breakthrough. Stay consistent, stay curious. Don't quit now, you can win. The creator who doesn't give up, wins.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.